I'm a pioneer of the Royal Newfoundland Regiment. My job today is making musket balls to fit in the muskets, obviously. Using soft lead, it melts at 375 degrees Celsius. Melted in an oven, but don't do that. I don't recommend this either because lead isn't the nicest thing to work with. My age doesn't really matter. What's going to happen is, you heard of a Big Dipper and a Little Dipper? This is my dipper. This is a musket ball dipper. The theory is I fill that with lead and it runs out of the bottom like that to fill this mold. When I do that, I'll pop the mold open and we have a musket ball like the ones on the ground to fill it. Hopefully this will work. But the extra lead that you see on the top of that, this is a nipper. Pop that off. Just pop that off. Back into the pot. Because lead will melt again and you can continue to reuse this stuff. It's going to hurt you. It's as simple as that and as quick as that. Now, of course, you don't want to grab that with your hand. So, go. 72 caliber ball fits into a 75 caliber musket. That's what was used in War of 1812. And it was that easy. Just to show you, a cartridge in that time period, a blank cartridge looked like this. Had 120 grains of black powder in it. It was made of paper. Technically, it was blue paper for a blank. This is just a blank cartridge. And they'll show you later, you bite the end off it to access the black powder. This is a live round. That's the difference. The difference is you can see the musket ball is in the top of the cartridge with a piece of string around each end. The rest of it's the same. You bite this off, spit it out, and then the rest of that gets rammed down the barrel of the musket, and away you go. And that's why the ball, it's quite the procedure. You can see the size of that ball in the paper, but that's how the muskets fire. Simple as that. That's pretty much it.